There are 5 types of adverbs: adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of place, and adverbs of frequency. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The adverb expresses the time, manner, degree, place, and frequency. Adverbs of time. These adverbs provide information about the time the verb takes place. This includes now, yesterday, tomorrow, later, yet, already, today, last month, year, soon. For example, I started school yesterday. Next month I will buy a house. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs provide information about how a verb is done. This includes beautifully, happily, peacefully, slowly, quietly, easily, cheerfully, loudly, secretly. For example, he spoke loudly. They played happily. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs describe the level or intensity of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. This includes quite, almost, barely, very, completely, just, absolutely, fully, hardly. For example, I have almost finished my homework. I completely agree with you. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tell us where the verb is taking place. This includes away, outside, in front, inside, over, under, here, there, upstairs, towards. For example, the cat was playing outside. She was hiding behind the sofa. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs tell us how often something occurs. This includes always, usually, normally, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. For example, she regularly visits the park. I occasionally eat pizza. Remember, there are 2 types of adverbs of frequency. You can have definite and indefinite. So make sure you watch the video about adverbs of frequency to help you.